In today's video, I'm sharing with you fast home hacks that will hopefully make your life easier. You're not gonna wanna miss them. Our first hack is a toaster hack, and I picked this one up on Walmart.com, and I wanna thank them for sponsoring today's video. When I saw this gorgeous white toaster on the Walmart app, I knew I needed to pick it up. Now, if you don't already have the Walmart app, it's really easy to download, and there's so many different items that you could look at, and I find myself buying so much online now. This toaster is part of Drew Barrymore's beautiful line, and she's got all these like really cute appliances. So if you like white appliances, this is a good line. If you cook quesadillas as much as I do at my house, this is a great hack for you. Now, sometimes you just don't have time to cook it on the stovetop. This is how you can make it in a few minutes in the toaster. Take your tortilla out and put it on your plate. Add your favorite cheese to half of the quesadilla. Fold your quesadilla in half and then press it down pretty good. And then you want to fold it over in force. Now make sure that all of your cheese is down into the pocket of your tortilla. I'm gonna turn the toaster on, and then you can adjust the level. Right now it's on the lowest level. I'm gonna put it to about medium, and I like the medium. If you need to toast it longer, you always can do that. You can also press one of these buttons over here. Now make sure when you put your quesadilla in that the open part is facing up, and then just press down on the toaster. Let it cool down a bit, and it's ready to go. Our next hack is with this tiered side table. Now, I bought this on Walmart.com. I love the look of a tiered side table, but the problem with it is it can be kind of difficult to decorate. So I'm gonna give you two options to show you how you could decorate this. I spotted this terrazzo lamp on Walmart's app and knew I had to pick it up. Now, to elevate it and ground it a little bit, I like to use thrifted books underneath my lamps. I think the best thing for the lower table is to just put one strong item. I'm gonna put this vase with florals in it, and it really doesn't need more than that. Next, you wanna finish the table off with a smaller item. I like things that are functional, so I DIY'd these Scrabble coasters, and I'm just gonna add those to my table. All right, let me show you a second option. This is a little bit different. This is a mushroom lamp. It's almost more of a sculptural piece, but I'm gonna put this up on my highest table. If you're looking for the lamp, I'll have it linked for you down in the description box. Now, like with my other table setup, I always like to ground my decor with something like a tray, or in this case, I'm using another book. I'm gonna add in 2 candles to create a grouping of 3. And again, like our last grouping, I'm gonna add one item to the lower table, and I always like to add in greenery or some kind of florals whenever I can. Let me know which way you would decorate down in the comments, either A or B. This next hack is gonna help you eat outside a little bit easier. I don't know about you, but I get kind of lazy and I'm like, oh, it's just gonna be a lot of work to take everything outside. Putting together a caddy and keeping it ready to go, you can just grab this and have all your stuff to take out whenever you wanna eat outside. So this caddy is great. It's rattan. I'll link it for you down below, but I'm just gonna put some of our essentials in here. So with this top portion, I'm gonna put in some napkins. I'm gonna put my plates down here. Now, these are paper plates, but you could also use your real plates. And then up here, I'm gonna put in my silverware. And then just add in anything you're gonna need outside. I'm gonna put in some salt and pepper. If you have this ready to go, it's gonna make it so much easier to eat outside. Have you ever been at a party and you're trying to take cupcakes out of the container and there's just no good way to do it? Like, see how I'm getting icing all over myself? I have a hack to keep your hands clean and make it so much more sanitary. So all you need for this hack is a fork. You're going to take it and put it directly into your cupcake and then pull up. To take it off, just hold on to the paper and put it on your plate. So much easier. Our next hack is a quick iPhone hack that you can do on your calculator on your phone. So have you ever been typing a bunch of numbers on your phone and you're adding a bunch up and you accidentally type in the wrong number and it's so frustrating and you feel like you have to start over? Here's a hack to not do that. If you just swipe left on the numbers, it will erase the last number that you put in. So hopefully that hack will help next time you're using your calculator. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is home hacks. When you're cutting on your cutting board, nothing is worse than when it's just sliding around on your countertop. In my last home hacks video, I showed you how to put a wet paper towel underneath your cutting board to hold it in place. In this video, I'm gonna try non-slip shelf liner. So I'm just gonna cut off a small piece. Now you could keep this in your kitchen drawer and just pull it out anytime you're cutting. So I'm gonna put this underneath my cutting board. Like just the initial movement test, it's not going anywhere. Let's try cutting something. I think this method works great. If you're cutting up lemons and limes and you have anything extra, don't throw them away. You can put them in your garbage disposal. They help to deodorize. I'm gonna try cooking pancakes in the microwave. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it out. We have to spray our plate really well. All right, so I'm gonna place some batter in the middle of my plate. I may have added too much spray butter, but I'm worried about it sticking, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I hope it doesn't blow up. Okay, the moment of truth. You guys, no way. That looks like it's cooked. All right, let's see if it's cooked on the other side. I think if you cooked it for a minute on this side and maybe put it back in for another 30 seconds, it would be good. Let's try that. Okay, so it was in for 30 seconds and I think it's pretty good. You could probably do a minute for both. It does look different. I feel like I need to try it on the center portion to see if it's really cooked through. That's actually pretty good. So if you're in a pinch and you need to cook pancakes quickly, put them in the microwave. If you're wanting to scrap that community towel that everybody uses in your guest bath, get some inexpensive white towels from Walmart, and then you need to find a container to put them in. You could use a tray or a basket. I have this cool piece that I thrifted. I'm gonna roll up my towels and put them in here. Then just put your individual towels by your sink and then an inexpensive trash can right where they would need to throw them in. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. If you're taking cookies to an event but you forgot to pick up something cute to put them in, here's an easy way to make a cute container using paper plates. Start with a paper plate and you're gonna cut 2 slits on each side of your plate. And then make the same slits about the same distance on the other side. Then you're gonna pull in one side and then place your edges down like this. The next step, I'm gonna tape these edges in place. I'm gonna repeat these steps on this side. Next, I'm gonna line the inside with some brown parchment paper. If you wanna make it a little bit more decorative, you can add some ribbon. This is just some silver ribbon that I had. I'm gonna tape it to the back, wrap it around the sides, front, the sides again, and over to the back. Add on a little bit more tape and cut off the excess. Then you can add in your cookies. This is a cute way to package your cookies with things you just have around the house. I saw this hack online with a bag of spaghetti that you can open it easily just by slamming it down on your countertop. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. So I have this bag of spaghetti, let's try it out. You guys. So if you're in a pinch and you don't want to go get your scissors, just slam it down on your countertops.
Okay, Liz, so I've been seeing this hack all over social media.
Okay.
It's kind of weird. So you're going to take floss and you're going to put it across the top of your hair and it's supposed to help make flyaways go away. I don't know if this is gonna work.
I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's try it. Okay, I have all these flyaways up here, so I'm gonna see if I can push them down with the floss. I don't know, it kind of does it. Let's see. Put it over here. You know what? It kind of works. I mean, I still have some flyaways, but I think what it is it's the wax of the dental floss. I have another product I use to push flyaways down that's a wax consistency. So I think if you were traveling or in a pinch, this might be a good hack to try. If you have a cast iron skillet, you need something to protect your hands. This is an easy one you can make with a pot holder. I'm gonna cut off this hook. I'm gonna place hot glue along this edge and here, and then I'll fold it over. You can either hold it in place or put some clips on it until it's dry. Once it dries, I'll just remove the clips, and then you have a handle that you can put on any cast iron skillet. Apparently, if you rub parchment paper on metal, it's supposed to help shine it up. I haven't had too much luck with these hacks in the past, so let's try it out. Let's give it a try on my microwave. I'm not really impressed with this hack, you guys. Let me know what you use to shine up your metal. I would love to know your favorite home hacks, so comment down below which ones I should try in my next video. And make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.